Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks, projects, and deadlines? So you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to stay organized and efficient. That's where Smartsheet comes in. Smartsheet is a powerful collaborative platform that helps teams manage projects, tasks, and workflows. It's a one-stop shop for all your project management needs, making it easy to keep everyone on the same page and ensure that projects are completed on time and on budget. In this video, we'll explore what Smartsheet is best used for. We'll cover everything from the basics to the advanced features, so you can get the most out of this powerful tool. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based software platform that provides a variety of tools for project management, task management, and workflow automation. It's designed to be flexible and customizable, so you can tailor it to meet the needs of your team or organization. What is Smartsheet best used for? Smartsheet is best used for a variety of tasks, including project management. Smartsheet's Gantt charts, task lists, and reporting features make it easy to keep track of your project's progress and ensure that everything is on track. Task management. Smartsheet's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create, assign, and track tasks. You can also set deadlines, priorities, and dependencies. Workflow automation. Smartsheet's workflow automation features allow you to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending emails or updating status reports. Collaboration. Smartsheet's real-time collaboration features make it easy to share information and work together with your team members. Reporting. Smartsheet's reporting features allow you to generate reports that provide insights into your project's performance. Smartsheet features. Smartsheet offers a wide range of features, including Gantt charts. Gantt charts provide a visual overview of your project's timeline and dependencies. Task lists. Task lists allow you to create, assign, and track tasks. Workflow automation. Workflow automation allows you to automate repetitive tasks. Real-time collaboration. Real-time collaboration allows you to share information and work together with your team members. Reporting. Reporting allows you to generate reports that provide insights into your project's performance. How to use Smartsheet. Smartsheet is easy to use, even if you're not a technical expert. The platform offers a variety of templates and tutorials to help you get started. Smartsheet pricing. Smartsheet offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of different businesses. The price of your plan will depend on the number of users and features you need. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you manage your projects, tasks, and workflows more efficiently. With its wide range of features and easy-to-use interface, Smartsheet is a great choice for businesses of all sizes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.